In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update your contact information. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on My Settings. Once you arrive at your settings, take a look at that first box. You'll see that your username is grayed out. That means you can't change that, but you can fill in your first name, your last name, your email address, phone number, and culture. If you don't have an email or phone number entered in, go ahead and enter in that information so that your company can get a hold of you if they need to. I will put a fake Max email in, and then I will enter in a pretend phone number. And in order to choose a culture or language, click this arrow and choose the one you would like from the drop-down menu. If you like your changes, go ahead and click Save. And now your contact information has been updated. Notice the green bar next to the Save button, letting you know when this page was last saved. And TeamWork 5 is going to ask you to restart your app at this point. So go ahead and click that orange Restart App button. And now your application has been restarted and all of your changes are saved. That's how you can update your contact information in your TeamWork 5 account. Check out the next video to learn how to get started using your TeamWork 5 account.